One of the key challenges with a lot of modern manufacturing execution systems is the use of what people call paper on glass, which are basically formified PDFs, which are not truly structured data. Now, with method made, our data structure is telescopic, and that means you can collapse out sections of an SOP that you don't need to see right now, so that you can just identify the details that you actually need at a given time. Now, to give you an idea of what this actually looks like inside your tenant at the database level, let's just open a file. So what we can see here is at the top level of the JSON, there is the document, which includes the purpose, title, materials, reagents, and equipment. Then underneath the document level, there's this sections array containing each section, a hidden purpose and scope for each section, the exact range of transcript content, the exact time range, and then inside that, it includes these timestamps, which include the content, and including the steps and step notes. So at a structural level, what you have here is not just an SOP that is static in terms of a series of steps. You have a series of steps nested inside their timestamps, within their sections, and within the overall document structure. And that's what allows us to have this directionality where you can click to point directly to a video segment.